This is a 5-minute routine that you can do every single morning, and the idea is this routine is designed to prepare your body for the day ahead. We're going to look at increasing your circulation, your energy, and we're also going to do a little bit of deep breathing, and you can do it watching the sun rise. So you can do this in anything that you feel comfortable in. So when you're ready, let's get started. So it's a really lovely flowing routine, and just follow along to what I'm doing. So first move, just knees slightly bent, and just you're going to swing the arms back and forth. So we're just waking up your body. This is just going to slowly increase your circulation. If you don't want any coaching throughout this video, then you can simply press the mute. And what I want you to do is read out loud to yourself these daily affirmations that I'm posting up, because this is also about a positive mindset for the day ahead. So just keep swinging through with those arms. You've got a little timer bar there for your reference on the right. So for your next move, this time now, just do a little side tap. And what we're going to do is just do a little half circle with those arms, just working one arm at a time. And this one is just about warming up your joints. And just keep that going. And here's your next affirmation. And say these, and it's so important to say them out loud. Really take in these thoughts. And for your next move, this time now, we're going to do some really lovely stretches through the side of your body. Reach up and over and just hold. Knees are bent and come back. And now reach up and over. And then slowly come back. And the more often you do this workout, you'll become familiar with the moves. And you can do this morning routine every single morning and just reach up and over. All right, so what we're going to do, the same now on the opposite side. So your knees stay slightly bent, and this is now stretching all through those side muscles, which is really lovely after we've had a night's sleep as well. Up and over, and just reach up. And we're doing it at a really lovely slow pace. This isn't about increasing your heart rate, it's just about warming up your body. All right, well done. So for your next move, this time now, what I'd like you to do is stand with your feet slightly wider than hip width distance apart, and we're just going to sway from one side to the other. So what we're doing here is we're just increasing a little bit of mobility through your hips, just doing this little lateral sideways movement. And again, these daily affirmations are such a positive way to really set your mindset up for the day ahead. Reaching that across. Now walk the feet in, and this time now we're going to go back to that first move, but what I want you to do is make it a little bit more dynamic. Really swing through with those arms, make that move a little bit bigger as we're really now increasing your core body temperature. And give me a little toe tap. And the other thing that we're doing now is we're really working on what I refer to as your motor skills. So this is the brain and muscle connection, and just swing through with those arms. That's good. And for your next move, this time now, similar one as we did before, just this time now we're doing double arms. Really make these arms nice big. Just imagine you are drawing a sunshine. And this one here is just going to really help to mobilize your full body. That's it. And keep the knees slightly bent and just nice full range, making those moves bigger each time. So for your next move, this time now, again, we're going to do that one going from one side to the other, but we're going to make it a little bit more dynamic and really push with that palm and push that hand in front, just going from one side to the other. That's good. Reaching that across. And there is your next affirmation. And really focus on this. Today, you are going to be working on making your dreams become your reality. And just walk those feet back in. So for your next one, this time now, what we're going to do is focus on some deep breathing. So just be in a comfortable position for me. Now take a deep breath in through your nose, and now exhale through the mouth. And again, take a deep breath in, and now exhale through the mouth. And it's really important every day to do a few deep breaths. because we do way too much shallow breathing, and doing deep breathing is so good for you. And take that deep breath out. That's good. And let's do one really powerful one now. So get ready. Deep breath in for me. Breathe all the way in, and now deep breath out. So you're really breathing out from the lower part of your lungs on there. And well done. So that is you now set up for the day. And remember, you can do anything you put your mind to, and just take one day at a time. So high five and have the most amazing day. And if you want to, come back later on, because I've also got my 5-minute sleep better workout, and that is designed to just help slow your body down and prepare you for a good night's sleep. So I'll see you later on my YouTube channel.